Hello, my name is Dylan Sara. Welcome to my YouTube channel and a big thank you to all of my subscribers. After my last video, I reached 100 subscribers, so thank you very much. Keep subscribing, sharing the word, liking, commenting. I'm really happy to be able to share with you in this way. And today I'm going to be doing a sketch of Maki from the awesome German reggae band Maki Roots. In 2019, I was showing some work and sketching at a really beautiful festival near Leipzig in Germany called Ancient Trance. And Maki Roots were performing there with a number of other wonderful world-class bands. It's a really beautiful gathering of creative people, and I taught an ink making workshop there and just had a lovely time. And earlier this year, 2021, 2 years later, Maki got in touch to let me know that they're working on a new album and would love to collaborate. And so it's been a real pleasure and treat listening to a lot of their beautiful reggae music while working on these sketches. And if you check out my Instagram, you'll see the initial concept sketch for the entire album cover. And I'm working on the 6 portraits and putting them together. And if you keep in touch, checking out Instagram, you'll be able to see the progress on that in the next couple of weeks. And with that, I will just leave you to watch this and listen to some beautiful Maki Roots tunes with the song One.
Them a climbing up the big old tree. Need a better view just for oversee what the prisoner turn out to be. Them wanna get free from boundary, but all them see quite misty. Behold, his eyes may be no made to see. The more you watch it, it will get blurry. Perception seems our boundary. I and I all are one. We go for justice, living it 1,000 times. I and I all are one. Recognize the plea, but not always easy to find. I and I all are one. Dropping out the ocean, visit the sea, your mind is blind. I and I all are one. We go for justice, living it 1,000 times. Just take a look, you see them as stride, thinking I yourself gonna make them wise, running after lights all life, seeking for new boundary, for human mind getting free. You have to accept the mystery, not just trusting your philosophy. Perception seems our boundary. I and I all are one. We go for justice, living it 1,000 times. I and I all are one. Recognize the plea, but not always easy to find. I and I all are one. Dropping out the ocean, visit the sea, your mind is blind. I and I all are one. We go for justice, living it 1,000 times.
hope you enjoyed seeing that process, and keep your eyes and ears open for news of their upcoming release, a new album coming out soon. Check out the link below to listen to some awesome German reggae by Maki Roots. And it's in a little zine. If you'd like a zine, or if you'd like long format lessons from me, check out my Patreon, which is also in the links below. Thank you very much for watching, and like and subscribe and comment and stuff, because it's nice to connect and to write to you. Send me messages. I send you messages back, and we can draw stuff together. Maybe you'd like to draw some sketches of Maki too.